Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 3 in the Sweeter With You July paper pumpkin kit. So let's get to the instructions for number 3. Okay, so we've got our card base. We need to take our 2 flowers and we're mounting them on the same block. I'm just going to pop some first mark on there, and then I'm going to ink up my flowers. And I put up here, and then here, and then over here, like this, and then at the bottom. Okay. So far so good, and we're just going to pop this down like this. Okay, now we're going to come in with our thank you, and we're going to stamp the thank you right on this nice pink strawberry. So there we go. Okay, that's all done. Now we're going to build. I've got 2 of these pieces. And I'm going to put tear and tape on the back of those. And I've got, okay, let's just line these things up. I need, okay. We've got a large, a medium, and a small strawberry. In your red strawberries, there are 3 sizes. So a large, medium, and a small. So the first thing I need to do is I need to put tear and tape on the back of these. So let's do that. So pop that down like that. And like that. Okay. And now we're going to put dimensionals on the large strawberry, and we're going to put 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. We're going to put a dimensional in the smallest strawberry, and then we're going to put a dimensional on the medium strawberry and the smallest one again. Then we're going to take our adhesive dots and we're going to put 2 along the edge of this strawberry like that. And then we're going to put 1 in the middle of each of the flowers. Like this. Okay, so now we need to build. So we're going to take our tear and tape off the back of this, and we're putting 1 at an angle like this, and then we're taking the other one and we're overlapping it and popping it down like this. Sorry if I'm out of frame there. Okay, now we're going to take our thank you and our small and our medium, or our I'm trying to decide. I think this one with this here must go on the edge at the bottom. So it must be this one goes at the top like this, with the little one dimensionalized up here. Looks like they're really overlapped. There we go, like that. Okay. And then we're taking our thank you and we're popping it down over top of the 2 strawberries like that in the middle. And then we're taking this one and we're peeling off our edge here like this, just our adhesive dots here. And we're going to tuck that just like this here. Okay. And then we're taking our small strawberry that's dimensionalized, and we're popping it over the bottom like that. Okay, now for our flowers. So we're going to put one flower up at the top here like that, and we're going to take another flower, and it is going to go on the edge here like that. And then we're going to take this one, and it is going to go like that there. So that is our third project in the July Paper Pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for the last project, and after that, the first alternate.